The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all round the town.
The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all round the town. Move on back.
The driver on the bus goes move on back, all round the town.
The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep,
all round the town. The ducks on the bus go up and down, up and down,
up and down.
The ducks on the bus go up and down, all round the town.
The mother on the bus go clap, 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 clap,
Clap, clap, clap,
The mother on the bus go clap, clap, clap,
all round the town. Where is the puppy? Where is the puppy? Where could he be? Where is the puppy? Where is the puppy? Tell me what you see. Is he on the rug? Is he in his basket? Is he under the table? Is he in front of the door? Is he behind the sofa? Is he next to his bowl? Is he between the flowers? There he is! He's between the flowers! Where is the puppy? Where is the puppy? Where could he be? Where is the puppy? Where is the puppy? Tell me what you see. Is he on the bed? Is he in the closet? Is he under the blankets? Is he in front of the window? Is he behind the curtain? Is he next to the chair? Is he between the pillows? There he is! He's between the pillows! Where is the puppy? Where is the puppy? Where could he be? Where is the puppy? Where is the puppy? Tell me what you see. Hey little friends, come and sing with me. We'll learn our ABCs with fruit, you'll see. From A to L we'll sing and play in a yummy, fun and tasty way. A is for apple, 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 apple. B is for banana, 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 banana. C is for cherry, 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 cherry. D is for date, 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 date. Fruits are sweet and fruits are fun. Let's name them one by one. A, B, C, D, growing on a tree. E is for elderberry, elderberry, elderberry. F is for fig, fig, fig. G is for grape, 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 grape. H is for honeydew, honeydew, honeydew. Fruits are sweet and fruits are fun. Let's name them one by one. E, F, G, H. We're learning fruit today. Now you try it with me. What is A for? Apple, apple, apple. What is B for? Banana, banana, banana. What is C for? Cherry, 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 cherry. What is D for? Date, 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 date. What is E for? Elderberry, elderberry. What is F for? Fig, fig. What is G for? Grape, grape, grape. What is H for? Honeydew, 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 honeydew. I is for imbi, 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 imbi. J is for jackfruit, jackfruit. K is for kiwi, 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 kiwi. L is for lemon, 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 lemon. Fruits are sweet and fruits are fun. Let's name them all, everyone. From A to L we sang so well. Didn't we do just swell? Now let's say them super fast. Apple, banana, cherry, date. Elderberry, fig, and grape. Honeydew, imbi, jackfruit too. Kiwi, lemon, yes, it's true. We know our fruits clever friends. This fruit song never ends. Bye bye fruits. Bye bye fruits. Bye bye fruits. Bye bye. Hey kids, are you ready? Let's go for a ride. A is for airplane. Airplane. B is for bicycle. Bicycle. C is for car. Car. D is for dump truck. Dump truck. E is for excavator. Excavator. F is for ferry. Ferry. Vroom vroom zoom zoom, come along and sing. Every vehicle has a name and it's a fun thing. From the land, the sea, and the sky so blue, we're learning our ABCs with you. G is for glider. Glider. H is for hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. I is for icebreaker. Icebreaker. J is for jeep. Jeep. K is for kayak. Kayak. L is for locomotive. Locomotive. Vroom vroom zoom zoom, come along and sing. Every vehicle has a name and it's a fun thing. From the land, the sea, and the sky so blue, we're learning our ABCs with you. Woohoo! Okay, let's make some noises. Can you do it with me? What does the car say? Vroo, vroo! What does the train say? Choo, choo! What does the boat say? Toot, toot! What does the plane say? Now! Awesome! You're all amazing drivers today. M is for motorcycle. Motorcycle. N is for narrow boat. Narrow boat. O is for off-roader. Off-roader. P is for pickup truck. Pickup truck. Q is for quad. Quad. R is for rocket. Rocket. S is for submarine. 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 Vroom zoom zoom zoom, come along and sing. Every vehicle has a name and it's a fun thing. From the land, the sea, and the sky so blue, we're learning our ABCs with you. Woohoo! T is for tractor. Tractor. U is for unicycle. Unicycle. V is for van. Van. W is for wagon. Wagon. X is for exabec. Xebec. Y is for yacht. Yacht. Z is for zeppelin. Zeppelin. We did! We went from A to Z. So many cool things that move. Just wait and see. Next time you're out, look all around and name the vehicles that you found. Bye bye, giggles! Thanks for the ride. 1, 2, 3. Come draw with me. I like to draw. Let's draw with blue. Come draw with me. Let's draw a square. A blue square. I like to draw. Let's draw with pink. Come draw with me. Let's draw a triangle. A pink triangle. I like to draw. Let's draw with orange. Come draw with me. Let's draw a circle. A orange circle. I like to draw. Let's draw with yellow. Come draw with me. Let's draw a rectangle. A yellow rectangle. I like to draw. A red heart.